Here are 9 books you should read to get from broke to millionaire. By the end of this video, we will share with you why you should read each of these books, so you can pick and choose which one suits you best. When we were in your shoes, these were the most influential books we read, and we will share them with you in detail. CEOs read 50 books each year, while Americans barely read one. The full list of books is in the description, with links included. Let's take a closer look at them, shall we? Number 1. The Almanac of Naval Ravikant. The Almanac of Naval Ravikant is the collection of his most thoughtful insights into business and life. You can download this book for free by visiting navalalmanac.com. Your professional life will be shaped by this book, which will serve as a framework for everything else you do. So far, we haven't found a better starting point. Later on, you'll thank us. Number 2. The Richest Man in Babylon. For beginners or younger readers, we always recommend The Richest Man in Babylon. Your relationship with money will change as a result of reading this book. You can read it in one sitting. Easy to digest and perfect for people who don't read. In addition, it's cheap to buy, but it's incredibly valuable. Want to stop being a slave to others and buy your freedom? Well, read The Richest Man in Babylon. Number 3. The $100 Startup. For a business to generate $1 million, people think that you need several $100,000. That's not true. The $100 Startup is one of those books we read early in our financial journey. You won't be able to copy the business models in the book, but you can see examples of how others succeeded. After reading this book, you will no longer be able to use the excuse of not having enough money. Do you lack the funds to begin? Get it and put it to work. Number 4. Losing My Virginity. Branson's portfolio of businesses is amazing. The Virgin Group controls over 400 companies. That's insane considering he founded the biggest ones himself. The book Losing My Virginity will take you on a journey and will train your brain to think in serial order. If you're looking for a book that will allow you to identify opportunities in your life out of personal needs, this book is for you. Number 5. Millionaire Fastlane. The same books will be recommended to you again and again by many people. This book is the antidote to all those books that tell you how to stop buying lattes, save every penny, and invest it in mutual funds. The brutal truths are delivered in such a way that we like them. If you want to get rich fast, you must build a business that grows exponentially. Number 6. Rich Dad Poor Dad. The book Rich Dad Poor Dad is the Bible for passive income. To become wealthy, you must achieve financial freedom through passive income for as long as you live. Until you are able to generate enough passive income to cover your lifestyle costs, figure out how much it will cost you to maintain it. Number 7. The 10x Rule. The 10x Rule is a motivational piece. This forces you to think bigger about your goals and actions. As a matter of fact, we listen to the 10x Rule once a year just to prepare ourselves for how much action we need to take to crush our yearly targets. Number 8. The 4-Hour Workweek. It has been a game changer for us from the day we started Bookey. We built it so that everyone can travel anywhere in the world while still crushing their targets. The freedom brings a level of freedom that once tasted, you can never return to corporate life. Although we do not believe in the idea of a 4-hour work week, we know even Tim works more than that. You will learn how to build the right business system from this book. Number 9. How to Win Friends and Influence People. Talking to other people and earning their trust are essential. If they like you, they will want to spend time with you. If you spend time with them, you'll grow as a couple. Despite the fact that we have read many books on the topic, How to Win Friends and Influence People remains the best one we have ever read. Focus on the fundamentals and you won't go wrong.